Guys, this is that 2023 Hurricane FD2260. So we got it on a big aluminum I-beam tandem axle trailer. Motor's not hung, but that is part of our rigging, so it will get done at the time of sale. Our rear boarding. The ski tow bar already installed. This is actually going to be one of our battery boxes. This is our main. Fuel fill. You can see we've got dual fishing chairs up here on the bow. Front boarding ladder with anchor storage. This is the live well. It's about 2 foot wide, about 1.5 feet deep. I have to forgive the dust on the boat. We are out here by the freeway, so it is pretty keep them detailed until they're sold. Storage. This is your battery. This is where the battery box would be for the trolling motor. So we do have plenty of space. We just need mount battery trays, charger for the appropriate size trolling motor. Storage. Storage. Big space. You can put some cooler, life jackets, all sorts of stuff in there. Stereo. Plenty of space if you wanted to mount a gauge or a depth finder, GPS in dash. That little rod storage down there, along with the custom cover that the boat does come with. So you got stainless cup holders on every seat. Storage under every seat. That is a pop-up for the changing room. We typically do not install unless the customer asks. But if we do, that would be installed on this. So your Hurricane 2260 FD.